This is Sarah at Scrapbook.com, and we're looking at a new line from Authentique that you're going to love. It is their calendar line, and each month has 4 papers that represent the month. So this is the January paper that's full of vintage elements, old vintage paintings and drawings, and then there's also a 12 by 12 sheet. They're all double-sided, by the way, but there's also a 12 by 12 sheet that has a neutral pattern. It's a plaid and a coordinating pattern. And then there's a sheet that has the calendar and little sentiments and stuff that you can cut out. Again, double-sided. And then there's a coordinating solid with that too. So you get that with each of the months. So we'll go briefly through the months. This is the January one, and I'll give you a peek of all the little papers that are in each month of the calendar line. This is the Valentine's Day one. How cute is this? Well, it's February, but don't we all call February the month of Valentine's Day? Beautiful colors. Perfect for your Valentine's Day cards. Here we have March. Of course, you gotta have some kind of St. Patrick's Day looking themes, really fun and unique. And again, you have the pattern and the plaid. You have this one with the sentiments and the little areas that you can cut out in the calendar. And then the coordinating solid. Here we have April, and there's cute bunnies, chickies, perfect for Easter scrapbooking and card making. We have the pattern in the plaid again, the calendar with the sentiments and little things you can cut out, and then the coordinating solid as well. Next we have May, and I love this because it has moms on it, children, springtime elements. So this is that first piece with all the beautiful vintage little kind of old illustrations. And then we have the one with the plaid on the back, so you have a pattern, then the coordinating plaid, the calendar and all the sentiments. Like this, be like a wildflower, beautiful, fierce, and free. So this would be a perfect line to make Mother's Day cards with, Mother's Day layouts. And then we have the coordinating solid that also goes with that one too. All right, to June. Just like May was kind of mother themed, June is a little bit father themed with all these really fun, beautiful, vintage looking designs. And again, all double-sided. Here's the pattern with the plaid, our calendar and sentiments and tags and things like that you can cut out. And then the coordinating solid again, yellow on the back. Now we have July. It's the 4th of July. Look at this fun sheet of paper that's perfect for 4th of July card making, for scrapbooking, really beautiful. And that's the pattern paper that goes with it with the plaid on the back. Then we have all sorts of fun little items you can cut out. Grill and chill, bold stripes, bright stars, brave hearts. Really, really fun for the month of July. And here we have August. So August is full of fishing, the ocean, the sea, the family. Just a really great, fun piece of paper that you can cut up or you can do a layout on top of. The pattern for this one is full of summery ocean motifs that will be great for scrapbooking and card making. Here's the one you can cut out. Look at the castle here. That's just kind of a fun thing I wanted to point out. And then the coordinating solid down here. All right, we're getting to fall. A lot of people's favorite season. Come on down here. Okay, this is our September sheet, and it's so, so beautiful, and it kind of has a back to school theme, a harvest theme, really fun. And then here we have the pattern with the coordinating plaid design on the back, the September calendar, and all little items you can cut up, and the coordinating solid here. And now Halloween, we have our October one from Authentique. Here we have pumpkins, children, a spider, a vintage kitty cat. That would be very scary if someone snuck up on you, but this is such a fun sheet of paper that you can make layouts, cards, etc. Here's the plaid with the coordinating pattern of little pumpkins and bats on the back. And we have the calendar and all the little items you can cut out, and the coordinating solid. For November, I'm sure you could guess there'd be turkeys, harvest, and fall themes. Love all the designs on this sheet that are perfect for Thanksgiving family memories. We have the leafy pattern that has the coordinating plaid on the back, the calendar for November, and then a lot of different sentiments and phrases that you can cut out, and the coordinating solid that goes with the November part of the calendar collection. And then lastly, which is sometimes everyone's favorite, we have the Christmas or December paper and little set of 4 for this calendar collection. So as you can see, there's lots of Santas, sweet children with mistletoe, all sorts of cute elements for card making and scrapbooking. We have this beautiful sheet of paper that has the plaid on the back, perfect for Christmas. Here's the one with the calendar and all sorts of different items and tags that you can cut out. And then the coordinating solid for this one as well is a beautiful green. So as you can see, this collection is full of every month you need to scrapbook for the year. So make sure that you find this new calendar collection from Authentique at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.